Welcome to the channel. If you are planning to replace the screen on your Samsung phone, or you have already installed a new display, don't just take the seller's word that it is original. An original display and a copy can look almost identical, but the difference becomes noticeable when you actually use the phone dot in this video. I will show you several simple ways to check a Samsung display and find out whether it is original or fake. The first thing you should pay attention to is image quality. On an original display, colors usually look natural, blacks are deep, and text remains sharp even at low brightness. On a cheap copy, the image may look too cold or too yellow, while black can appear more like gray. You can also install the Samsung Members app and use it to check the display. The second important point is brightness. Set the brightness to maximum and compare the screen with another original Samsung display if possible. A copy will often have noticeably lower maximum brightness and poorer viewing angles. Now make sure to test the touchscreen. Open the keyboard and slowly move your finger across the entire surface of the screen. If certain areas don't respond, you notice missed touches, or the screen registers touches by itself, that's a serious reason to be cautious. Another way is to check features that depend on the specific display used in your Samsung model. For example, always on display, automatic brightness adjustment, the in-display fingerprint scanner, and other functions. If some Samsung features stop working after a screen replacement, it doesn't always mean that the phone itself is faulty. The problem may be with the installed display. Also, carefully inspect the display and its bezels. Edges that are too thick, incorrect fitting, poor adhesive quality, or noticeable differences compared with the factory screen can indicate that the part is not original, and most importantly, there is no single universal test that can determine with 100% certainty whether every Samsung display is original. Some high-quality copies can be very difficult to distinguish visually. That's why it's better to use several different checks and, if possible, compare the screen with a genuine display or have it inspected by an authorized service center.